Nofri. Welcome in a new lecture of the lectures of the Coptic language. In today's lecture we are going to talk about the present of questions and facts. It's a specific construction in the Coptic language in which we use the present tense to construct questions and to indicate facts. Here we use the same pronouns as in past simple, and those pronouns plus the verb indicate whether a question when you make a question or when you state a fact. You can understand it from the sentence itself and the context in which it's being used. For the pronouns we say I plus verb, it means I, ak means you, are you for feminine, af he, us she, an we, aretain you, av they. We must pay attention when you between the different the way we pronounce. We say af, it means he, av we, it means they. Don't mix between the way you pronounce, because sometimes people when they make praise they mix between av and af. You say people say av while actually they are talking about the Lord, and it is written in the text af instead of av. And we here if we don't use a pronoun as a subject, we use a noun. In the noun, to use it in this structure or in this tense, we add are before it. So we say are plus noun, verb plus complement, in and complement, are noun, verb, preposition, complement, are noun, verb, complements, are noun, verb, pronoun, complement. In negation, we use in for the pronoun or noun plus the verb plus an. Here we have some examples about the usage of the tense. For example, in Genesis 4:9 we read wo beji choice if noti in kain je afson avel bikson in sof ze begav je enti emian mi anok eporit imbason. In English it means, and the Lord said to Cain, where is your brother Abel? And he said, I don't know. Am I my brother's keeper? Wo, it means and. Page, it means to say or said. Ep choice, ep the choice Lord. If naughty, it means if the naughty God. In Cain, in indication of a compliment. Cain is noun. J, that. Af, here the word used for pronoun used for question. Af son, where he. Avel, it means Abel. Bek son, bek your, son brother. Insof, he. They, then. Begaf, said. J, that. Enti emi an, I don't know. In subjunctive form. T means I. Emi means no, and not. Me is a question word used in, it has no equivalent in English. In English there are question words like what, who, which, or where. This word is similar to, but the equivalent construction in English is the auxiliary verb plus noun. It is not having an exact word like who or what or which or where, but it means it's a question word. Anok, it means I. Eb, the, urit, it means guard or keeper. Em, it means of. Ba, it means my, and son, it means brother. We can conjugate the question word where, similar conjugation. We say I son, where I. Ak son, it means where you. Af son, where he. As son, where she. An son, where we. Aritin son, where you. Av son were they. Here an example, as soon on in Jeta Helbis, it was mentioned in Job 17:15, and where then is my hope. Uh, as it means she, son where, on means then, in J namely or I mean, that means my, Helbis it means hope. And when we use it for present of facts, in Revelation 2:13, for example, we have here as this verse, Jetuswon J Akshop son bema eti biosronos embasatanas ki emov owo ak amoni embaran owo embek jel banati evol owo gen ni eho akti hon ehren bi martiros bestos fiit avchosvef chaten sino ibma eti ibsatanas shubemov. Here here I will translate it. It says, it's saying, I know your works and where you dwell, where the throne of Satan is, and you hold my name and didn't deny my faith, even in the days in which Antipas was my faithful witness, who was killed alongside you, where Satan dwells. J, it means for. T, it means I. So on, it means no. J is that. Akshop means you dwell. Here it's used as present tense. It's not indication of a past or a question, but from the context we understand it's a present tense indicating a fact. Akshop son, where. Bima means place. B, it means ma place. Eti, it means where. B is Thronos, B is Thronos, it means throne. Emep Satanas, of the Satan. Ki, it means present or staying. Emov itself, wo and. Ak Amoni, ak it means you, indication of facts. Amon it means keep. Embaran, em indication of a complement. Bat means my. Ran it means name. Wo means and. Embek jil banati vol. Embek it means you didn't. Jil it means to deny. Banati bat means my. Nati it means faith. Evol away. Owo and. Henni ho akti hon ehren. And in the days akti Echon ehren, it means you defend. Be martyros, be bestos. Even in the days in which he was killed, be martyros, it means martyr. Be bestos, it means honest. Fiit, it means feet, means that. It, who. Av chosvev, means they. Chosvev, means kill. If it means him, they killed him. It's a special construction in Coptic language to use passive form. Passive form in Coptic it's not similar to English, like verb to be plus past participle. We use the construction the plus the verb to indicate the passive form. The construction of they with the pronoun they plus the verb in any tense. It might be in present, say plus verb, or in past av, or in future sena, or nav in imperfect. In any of the tenses we use this construction to indicate passive form. And here the verb, as it is connected to indirect complement, it connected to a pronoun complement, we turn in the verb khotib into khosve. It's pronounced khosvev. It means they killed him. Khatin sino, khatin, it means at place of. Sino, yours. Ibma ete, ib it means ma, place. Ete which, ib satanas, the Satan. Shobemov, shob it means to dwell. M of itself. Here it's indicating facts, so instead of translating it in past tense, it wasn't translated past, it's all translated in present tense, whether in the English translation of it or in the Arabic translation of it. Another example of it when the subject is a noun. For example, we read in Psalm 149 verse 1: قائم بشويس خين أو قائم فيري جي أعرف اسمه خنتي إكليسية انتني اس او. Say praise the Lord, sing to the Lord a new song, his praise in the assembly of the saints. God means to praise or to sing. M choice, M indication of a compliment. Ib the, choice means Lord. Khin or go, it means a song. U, it means a in the indefinite article, and go a song. We said go means to praise or to sing or to say. It means a song also. M very, M is indication of a compliment. Very it means new. J it means because. Are is the tense used for indicating facts. Bef esmo, Bef it means his. Esmo praise. Chen it means in. T the. Ecclesia it means church. Ente it means of. Ni means those. Es it means who. Oab it means holy. Praise the Lord, sing to the Lord a new song, his praise in the assembly of the saints. You can find this lecture on internetarchive.org/details/Coptic language, and you can find it also in the YouTube channel CSA Coptic Educational Channel on YouTube website. Oshe Behmot, thanks. Shatina Verotin Hen Bioshneyo. Until I see you in next lesson.